Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am out at Chad Conley's house over here in Decatur, Georgia. Today we're going to be doing a repair on one of the damaged shingles on his roof today. It looks like you guys have written a 123 shingle repair on this roof. Now just a couple notes here. This isn't even the south slope, but as you can see, a lot of granules missing, very worn roof. And of course, insurance doesn't pay for wear and tear, but they do have to pay to bring back to pre-loss conditions. And any reasonable person would look at this roof and say, yeah, probably past its life expectancy. This slope barely has any granules on it, lots of damage, so repair is not going to be a feasible option here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be removing this shingle right here, guys. It's those 3 tabs. As you can see, everything is still sealed. I'm going to start this repair and let you guys follow along with me so that you guys can see the repair process. All right. Again, I got to stand on a pitch hopper because not a safe slope. Obviously, that's unsealed. As you can see, guys, just even trying to get the shingle up, tore right there. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible through this process, but as you can see, it's a very brittle shingles. Okay, that's 2 shingles, guys, just from trying to pull up. Tear there, tear here. As you can tell, I'm just getting under the seal line, trying to pop it off. As you can tell, that it's not happening. We'll continue the repair. Just wanted to note that to you guys. Let me get the phone resituated for you. Yeah, so, okay. One up here today. Let's go ahead and put the new shingle in for you. you guys. Here's the new shingle put in. As you can see, like I showed you earlier, it tore in a couple places. You can see where the granules have started to fall off pretty much on every shingle, increasing. You can also see how thin the shingles are themselves. I mean, basically just a thin mat. All the granules have already, fallen off. They're already in the gutters. Like I said, I know you guys don't pay for wear and tear, but this roof is definitely not repairable. You can see it almost on every shingle. But I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. As you can tell with these shingles down here that weren't affected by the repair, if I rub my hands like this, no granules fall off. There's no loose granules. Now, if I were to do that to these shingles right here, you can just see that the granules have come loose from the shingles, therefore losing that ability to shed water. I'll go ahead and chalk these up for you guys. Thank you for your consideration.